Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last week I did a collaboration video where my challenge was to make a summer fun wreath, where you had to use 4 summer fun items to make a unique and creative summer wreath for your front door. So if you'd like to see how I made out, as well as the other YouTubers in that challenge, click on the link above and that will take you to the playlist with all of their videos. So with Father's Day coming up this weekend, I was frantically scouring Pinterest for some inspiration and I found some really cute ideas. So today I'm going to walk you through how to make a cute little Father's Day card as well as a little Father's Day gift. So let's get started. So my husband loves fishing, so when I came across this idea for a fly fishing vest, I thought perfect. So I just took a tan colored piece of cardstock that was 8.5 by 11 and cut it down to 8.5 by 10 using my paper trimmer. Then I scored 2.5 inches in on both sides. So as you can see, now when you fold it in, it should meet together in the middle. Next, I made a mark from 1/2 inch in on each side and then 2 inches down in the center and joined those dots to make a V. Then with my pencil, I made marks down at 1.5 inches and 4 inches on either side. Next, I joined those 2 dots with a semicircle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you could use a cup to make it nice and round if you like. Then I cut out the semicircles and the triangles. Now don't throw away the triangles, we're going to use them to glue on the front of the vest as lapels. Next, I took a Sharpie and just put in the details like the pockets and the stitching around the vest. You can make it as fancy as you like. Now I wanted to make some 3-dimensional buttons for my vest, but I didn't have anything black, so I just took these little foam dots that are adhesive and colored the tops of them black, let them dry, peeled them off, and used them as buttons. Then I also used my Cricut Maker to cut out a variety of different fishing lures and bobbers. Then I glued them on the vest. Finished it off with some of these sentiment stickers that I had found that were fishing themed, as well as a fishing pole that I had also cut from my Cricut machine. And there you go. Isn't that a cute fishing themed card? Now to make a little gift to go with it. Now I had this wooden picture frame lying around for years. I don't even remember where I got it, the dollar store or Michael's, but it was very inexpensive. I also had some of these wooden Scrabble tiles, some rocks from the dollar store, the rest of my fishing stickers, and some Gorilla Glue. Next, I took my handy dandy shoe polish from the Dollar Tree that all of you know I love to use as wood stain, and stained the outside of my frame. So my idea was to put "We Love Dad" hook, line, and sinker on the top of the frame. So I had the stickers that said hook, line, and sinker, and I put them on. Then I used my Scrabble tiles to spell out "We Love Dad," and affixed them to the top of the frame with the Gorilla Glue. Next, I put a healthy helping of my Gorilla Glue on the bottom of the frame and adhered some of these river rocks to the bottom. Now I did use a lot of glue, but these rocks were fairly heavy, and I know that the glue dries clear, so I wasn't too worried about it. Then I topped it off with a couple more fish themed stickers, and I thought it turned out really cute. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know what you're doing for Father's Day. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.